What if a medical appointment and transportation to the provider's office could be scheduled at the same time? What if language or limited mobility did not prevent patients from getting to their appointments? The Heart of Iowa Regional Transit Agency, HIRTA, has partnered with Arcadis, FlexLinks, VIA, CTAA, Institute for Transportation at Iowa State University, Capture Management Solutions, and the Dallas County Health Department to make all of this possible through Health Connector. Health Connector is a program that makes it easier than ever to get reliable, affordable transportation to healthcare destinations in Dallas County. Healthcare staff, community health navigators, or travelers can book both healthcare appointments and transportation to those appointments through Health Connector. This cost-effective service has extended hours to get patients to their healthcare destinations on time. This simplified transportation means fewer missed appointments and reduced Medicare readmission penalties. All vehicles are fully accessible and include wayfinding and infotainment devices. With all of these features available through Health Connector, scheduling and keeping healthcare appointments has never been easier. You are a great candidate to participate if you fit in one of the following categories: travel to or from Dallas County, are over 60 years old, have a disability, speak English as a second language, live in a low-income household, or are a U.S. veteran. If you know someone who may be eligible to participate, please have them visit www.ridehirta.com/ITS for us or call 877-686-0029.